Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove reminder in Notion, and that's pretty simple. You just need to follow one step. So go to the Notion app, and in the private section choose the page where you add a reminder and you just want to remove this. And in here you can see that I have added a reminder. I simply tap on here, or if you need to change anything from here, you can always change anything, or you can also change this time, date, and this reminding options, or anything whatever you need. Or in the last option you can see this option clear. If you just simply tap on these options, and your reminder is gone. So it's pretty simple. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.